is a video? This is the question we get asked more than any other question. How much is a video? How much would a commercial be? It's only a short 60-second video. How much? Anyone who works in a creative field knows the budget, song, and dance. What's your rate? What's your budget? As a client, you don't want to give your budget because you don't want whoever you're hiring to take the money and invest it in crypto. What's your rate? What's your budget? Now, if you're a creator, you want to know your potential client's budget parameter because you don't want to promise them the steak when all they can afford is a Big Mac. So here's the solution that I find helps us and our clients, and that is offer a price range. What this does is it allows a transparent starting cost to your client while you also explain to them that quality costs something. I find it super helpful when we give a client what our base rate starts at, whereas our client gives us a ceiling of where they don't want to overspend. And then we listen to all their desires and we creatively come up with concepts and ways that we can make those desires a reality. The more vague the details, the bigger the price range. But this acts as a launching point so we can have a conversation that gets to the heart of our client's goals while allowing us to know the resources we have to knock it out of the park. I like to use the analogy of a kitchen because you can renovate a kitchen for $10,000 to $20,000 and you can also renovate that same kitchen for $100,000 to $200,000. It's the same square footage, but it is a vastly different kitchen. And both will function as a kitchen. No matter what you spend on your video, you can still have a quality product that will enable you to connect with your audience. And that is exactly what you want to do and where you want to find the value to you. So the sooner you can get out of that awkward song and dance of what's your rate, what's your budget, the sooner you can put your energy into the thing that matters, which is making an awesome piece of content to service you. Stop doing the awkward song and dance, all right? Get to boogieing. What's your rate? What's your budget?